Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making easy to make beautiful year-round wreath. We are working with 18-inch pine wreath. We got this beautiful sign which I purchased at the 99-cent store. Just painted it up. Put some pipe cleaners at the end and which we are going to attach on our wreath. We got some greenery. We got assortment of some florals, roses and peonies. You're going to need some pipe cleaners because we are going to make some cute little ribbons with some mesh, some beautiful yellow mesh. So with that said, let's put this on and then we are going to get to our beautiful bows. Let me see, which way should I put it? Like this? Like that. I think like that. No, like that. Whichever. Yes, indeed. We are going to just grab these on, move some of your wiring. And just get that attached back there. Like that. I think I had it the other way, huh? Kind of like that. Okay, let's get over here. Work underneath. Got that. Okay. Now we are going to get some greenery on. Just got these two pieces. It was a long vine. I just cut it apart. I'm just going to weave it on in through here. Just put it in and grab these wires. You could also use your glue gun, everybody, for extra support. Grab some more of this wiring and fasten it around on the side. Grab some more in here, stir it in here. Grab your wiring and attach it. Some more and attach it. There we go. Okay, we're going to put this to the side and we are going to, let me fix my rug, make our little ribbons using our Bodabra. I'm going to make the big ones. Let me see how I had this. Okay, we're going to put this in here. We're going to use our mesh. Just going to bring this down. I'm going to weave it in. Put it in there. Kind of at the edge so you don't have too much of this on, but yet able to hold it with the pipe cleaner. And I put it the wrong way. Excuse me, everybody. I've been away too long. There we go. Then we're just going to make, how many? About 1, 4. Let's gather this up together. Insert it in. Get this other side. Gather it up. Insert it. It's a pretty yellow color. Just gather it up and insert it. I think I'm gonna have 2 smaller. Just gonna put this in right here. Is that the right side? And get them going right there. Look at that. Uh-oh, did I lose the pipe cleaner? Bring it up. And we got it. Let's turn it around. And twist it twist it. There, we got one going. Then what we can do is we take these ribbons and we put it on top, just like that. Could take the rest of this, clip it off. Push it down. And twist it. Look at that. Let's puff it up, and we got a little bow. Look at that. Okay, we got one going. Let's make another. Okay, the ribbon, we're going to get in here. Put that bow down right, yeah. This one we're going to have, I think, a little tail. And one with the tail. Twist it. Bring it in here and twist it. So they're even. This in. Oops. There. Bring another one in. A little smaller, twist it. And there it is, a small ribbon. Bring this up and twist it around. Twist that. Puff it up, puff it up. And we're going to get our little mesh going. I think this is a longer one. You can make them the size you want, how many loops you want in your bowl. Take this down. Go for. Another one. Let's see how much I have left. I think I make smaller ones. Two. Three. Okay, we got enough for 3 on each, so 6. There, little smaller ones. I'm going to tuck this in. Tuck this in right here because it's almost to the edge. I don't want it to be hanging out much, so we're going to try to get it like this. And there we go, we did it. Ooh. Down. It's kind of thicker than the ribbon, so you're gonna have to work. Kind of pick it up and let go. Push it down with your fingers and turn it around. And we got it. Get that. Twist, twist, twist. Okay. Let's fix this now. Now what I do? Oh, tuck it in. There we go. Look at that, everybody. Got a little ribbon going. So let's put our other one on the top. And we got it. Cut the rest of this excess off. Tuck it in. Now let's get our beautiful wreath back over here, and we have one on top and one on bottom, huh? Okay, let's get that going. We'll put this one up here. That going here. Fasten it up. Fix your ribbon. Look at that. Okay. Now we're going to get the other one on the bottom. Push aside some of the metal wires, and then we're going to this going, and we're going to chop off all the excess back here. And look at that, everybody. Got those going. Now we're going to get our beautiful florals. Oh, we just got so much going on in there. Okay, let's get some beautiful peonies on up in here. Look at that. Just get them around where the main place is. I think I'll get one right here too. Look at that. Then we're going to get some beautiful roses going. Beautiful roses. I think I'm going to have one over here, huh? Bounce them out. Ouch. Look at how beautiful this is coming out, everybody. Let's get another rose up in here and get some of these whites to bring out some more coloring. Look at that. And some over here. Wow, how beautiful this is coming out. Then let's get some beautiful ferns. Oh my, look at this. Let's go up here. And we got one more, so I think we're going to that under here. Beautiful. We got some more white baby breasts we could put in here. Look at that. Let's get some over here. And there it is, everybody. I think that's enough. Look at that. How's that, everybody? All year round wreath. Beautiful yellow colors. Hope you enjoyed this channel. If you did, consider press the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. You will be notified of my upcoming videos. Have a great day.